Good afternoon, Standard 8 students. Again, I shall just revise the poetry, The Charge of the Light Brigade by Lord Alfred Tennyson. Now, before I explain the poetry, let us get to know some information about this particular poem. Number one, this particular poem is a narrative poem. A narrative poem means a poem that narrates a story. So this narration is based on the Crimean War, which was fought between Britain and Russia. Okay. And in this particular battle, the British army only consisted of 600 soldiers, whereas the Russian army was massive, huge. They had outnumbered the British soldiers. And in this particular battle, the Russian army was fully equipped with guns, cannons, and all other highly sophisticated weapons. They were very powerful. Whereas the British soldiers, they only consisted of 600. Okay. Now, the theme of this particular poem is based on bravery. When you join the army, you have to be a brave, a strong person. Then you must have the quality or the willingness to sacrifice your life for the country. And that is only possible if you are having patriotism in you, the love for your country. Only if you love your country, only then you can show your valor, your bravery, your sacrifice. All will come together. So this particular poetry proves that this 600 group of soldiers, they were on horseback. Soldiers mounting on horsebacks are called cavalries. And they only had swords and lances with them to fight. And they were going to attack the enemy's camp that are fully equipped with cannon guns, machine guns, a whole lot of ammunition they had, fully equipped. Okay. That is why it says half a league onward. All in the valley of death rode the 600. Now the poet, he compares the huge enemies or the Russians' camp or the Russian territory was compared to the valley of death. Now the valley of death means in certain mountainous regions, you have certain areas which are very dangerous. Either they have very steep sides or blind holes, or maybe they are infested with wild animals, snakes. But many people who did go that side did not return. So that is why it is called the Valley of Death. Now the Russian camp or the Russians' territory was compared to the valley of death. That means whosoever enters this camp is not going to return back alive. That is why he says, into all in the valley of death rode the 600. So the valley of death is a metaphor. What is a metaphor? A metaphor is a figure of speech that is used to compare one thing to another thing. Okay, like he was a Sachin Tendulkar in the match. What does it mean? That he was playing like the way Sachin Tendulkar played. So it is a metaphor. Okay. Now forward the light brigade. Charge for the guns, he said. Now the command was given, forward the light brigade. Charge for the guns, he said. Means attack those who are having guns. So that is the command that was given. And then a rhetorical question was asked. Was there a man dismayed? Was it shocking that a command of this type was given? All the world wondered. Someone had, no, not though the soldier knew, someone had blundered. He says somebody had given this wrong command. He had made a grave, a big mistake. A wrong command was given to this troop. But being soldiers, now soldiers are committed to duties. So all the duties they have to perform. One of the duty is to be obedient. Listen to your seniors, or listen to your officer in charge, or listen or obey the command of your commanding officer. So he puts it in a very nice way. Dares not to make reply. You cannot go against the decision made by your commanding officer. There is not to reason why. You're not supposed to contradict. You're not supposed to reason out. Why did you give this command? But the duty of a soldier is based on two principles. There is but to do and die. That is why he says, there is not to make reply, there is not to reason why, there is but to do or die. Into the valley of death rode the 600. Now, cannon to the right of them, cannon to the left of them, cannon in front of them. What does it mean? That as they were entering into the Russian camp or the Russian territory or the enemy's camp, they were being welcomed or they were surrounded by machine guns, cannon guns, and they were being fired together. The shooting came from all directions, from all sides. And that is why he says, volleyed and thundered. Volleyed means firing taking place at the same time. Thousands and thousands of bullets being shot at the first time, all together. Explosions, bombs, and the sound that were being produced, it had a thundering sound. That is why he says volleyed and thundered, stormed with shot and shell. Means they were being firing and there were explosions of bombs and bullets. Into the jaws of death. Now that particular scene was compared, again a metaphorical explanation is here, where when the firing was taking place and the 600 soldiers riding into the enemy's camp, it was being compared to the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell rode the 600. So now when they entered into the enemy's camp, the whole world wondered, because you have guns fighting against guns, but here it is sword versus guns. So there is no match. That is why the whole world wondered. I shall keep it till here. Then again tomorrow I shall send the remaining part of the video. Please learn again once more. Today is your class test from the lesson, The Twisted Trial. Learn the word meaning, the question answers which I have given you. Try to learn the lesson also. Be ready at 7:30, and please, in every page that you use, please write your name and class section. Okay. Thank you and wish you all the best for today's test. Thank you.